Yeah, that's a good idea.
So she's just using.
That's perfect. Getting workout, low impact. Working out, Ellie. Good girl. Good girl.
You wait till I make you guys wear these shorts. Good girl. You twist your. Bring your bathing suit to work, Dave.
Yeah. Ooh, smell the flower, Ellie.
Good girl, Ellie.
Good girl. You're gonna get a treat, honey.
Hey gang, I'm over here scooping the wild yard. Not sure who's going to get out with the wild stuff now, whether it'll be me or Brandon or Cody or whoever, but keep an eye out for a dog with some stool on extremely liquidy stool today.
Good girl, Ellie.
Okay, will do. Thank you.
Oh, that's cute.